Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am Asma from Rangers Public School and College, Bahwalpur. Thank you, Sir Safdar Bhatti, for this chance. And today, my topic is Role of Digital Humanities in Second Language Acquisition. This is brief sketch of my study. This is abstract of my study, and introduction is digital humanities has wide space in technology. In this age of technology, digital humanities spread in all over the world in teaching and learning. We use digital humanities for enhanced teaching and learning. In this paper, we will discuss about the barriers found in teaching and learning in second language acquisition. Actually, this is like a bridge between teaching and learning in second language acquisition. Here in this paper, we will going to discuss about the barriers faced by students and teachers in second language acquisition and try to find out their solution. Here are some problems which faced by students and teachers during teaching and learning. Teaching don't have sufficient time, teacher have lot of paperwork, lack of students inhibition, cultural difference, student background poor, vocabulary not familiar with the context, and hesitation too. This is qualitative based research. And role of digital humanities in second language acquisition. Digital humanities is helpful in second language acquisition. Digital humanities promote self-actualization, self-motivation, and self-esteem and self-experience too. And purpose of this study is people who say that the last battle of the computer revolution in this English department have been fought and would not know what they are talking about if our current use of computer in English study is marked by any common them at all. It is experimentation at the most basic level at all. As a profession, we are just learning how to live with computer, just to integrate this machine effectively into writing and reading intensive course, just starting to consider the implication of the multi-layered literacy associated with computer. And the purpose of this study is to investigate rather digital humanities plays an important role in second language acquisition. Digital humanities get wide space in modern educational technology because it promotes self-motivation, self-actualization, self-esteem, and self-study too. Due to self-actualization and self-experience in second language acquisition, it is automatically encourage the students and teachers in learning and teaching also use interesting strategies by using technology that will improve vocabulary and pronunciation too. And research methodology used in this study is qualitative, and the data collected by questionnaire and interview based from the students and teachers of Rangers Public School and College, Bahwalpur, the Islamia University of Bahwalpur. There were almost 25 students and 10 teachers. Both students and teachers voluntarily accepted the questionnaire. And the questions from the students were, is digital humanities is useful in second language acquisition? And second question, language acquisition difficult task? What are the main difficulties in second language acquisition? Can digital humanities is useful in classroom? Which type of hurdles faced by students? What is the relation of digital humanities in teaching and learning? Digital humanities take time in learning. And the questionnaires from the students were, digital humanities is second language acquisition. Is digital humanities take time in learning? Is digital humanities useful in practice and learning? Is digital humanities is helpful in learning and grammar vocabulary? Is digital humanities improve language skill? Which type of hurdles faced during teaching and learning? How does digital humanities enrich in second language acquisition? And the findings of my studies are, digital humanities has significant role in second language acquisition. It provides comprehension, understanding of digital humanities in second language acquisition. It improves teaching and learning outcomes. Digital humanities is bridge in language transfer, transfer of training and learning, also strategies in teaching and learning. Digital humanities allows to know about self-actualization. And conclusion of my study, The present study examined the effective use of digital humanities, and goes one side, the person who knows only one language does not truly know that language. Vogt and Burn said the concentration of the students will be increased by digital humanities, so it has positive impact on teaching and learning. Digital humanities has strong connection between technology of teaching and learning. Digital humanities develop interest in teaching and learning. And suggestion and recommendation of my studies are: teachers should adopt new strategies. Teachers should be encouraged to know the importance of digital humanities. New pronouns of the knowledge should be developed. And references of my studies are: thank you for your patience and thank you for listening to me. Any question, please?